On October 7th, 2023, deputies responded to a beauty exchange in Orlando after reports that 2 employees had been stealing merchandise while on the clock.
I got 2 employees, and recording and everything, and there's 12 weeks worth like more than $3,000. The 2 bags with the bag door Sunday.
So the 2 employees? Okay.
They're still here. I called them to work with me extra hours to play with them. So they are in the store and the clock in. So I have recording everything.
Okay. Where are they right now?
In the rich section, but they don't know anything.
Okay. Right. They didn't take them out of the store yet, right? They didn't steal them?
They took everything Sunday. But yesterday when I came to the store, I found 20 boxes.
Got it. So they did take it.
Yeah, they took everything. But they put everything on social media to sell it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why.
So what do you have on camera? Like what?
All the recording. But how they bag it, how they leave with the bag, or how they put in the car. And we have a sign with the bag room, you cannot leave, right? They live with the bag room. Sunday I'm up. This way they just like did everything.
Okay.
So they tell like nobody to watch us.
Okay, and you want to press charges? Okay.
It's worth more than $3,000.
More than 3,000.
They can
Okay.
bring my stuff back, you know.
Okay. Are you going to write a statement? Write a statement as to what happened. So it was yesterday.
No, Sunday.
Sunday. Okay, so Sunday they were working. You saw them bagging up wigs, put it by the door, and then they came up.
In the section they bag it. There's some they put some stuff in the other box. I have all the ways. I wrote down the time.
Okay.
Yeah, I have all the recording.
Can we look at this recording? Can I look at the camera?
But I don't want them to run, you know, like.
But you know who they are. They have the information.
Yeah,
Okay.
I have it.
Okay, so like if they do run, we just put a warrant out and get them another day. Yeah, I have to have another deputy.
Okay.
Come in. Hold on a second.
Stay by the road, somebody, you know.
Hey.
I'm sure they.
So basically, it was 2 employees.
One name is Misha with the blonde hair, like the white hair.
Yeah.
And the other name is Aryan, and his injury in her feet. He's shot. I would say more than 3,000. Just like a lot of.
2117, 2118.
No. I don't remember. It happened on that day. That's a felony grant, though. Still take one. Okay. So I'm gonna look at this camera. What time are they working until? What time do they get off today?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go there. We'll detain them. Based on the report, we'll do the investigation. Leave it at that. So they can't go nowhere. So where are they? Okay. County 2118. Give us minimum traffic. We're about to make contact with our suspect.
Minimum traffic. West Colonial Drive.
Go. Yeah. Okay. Just be mind that. She's just being detained right now. She's okay? Okay.
I'll give my phone.
No.
I can get a don't do that. Alright, tomorrow.
I'm sorry.
Can you grab my phone though?
We'll get your phone. Okay. I'll hold on to it.
My charger.
Okay, we're gonna leave everything here. We're gonna take everything.
Okay.
We're not. Listen, you're detained right now. We're still doing an investigation. Okay, so you're not arrested at this moment. Not going to jail. Not going anywhere just yet. Okay. But you are detained. Okay.
What you doing?
Don't start. Just put your hands behind your back for me. Put your hands behind your back.
Hey.
Don't start. Put your hands together for me, please. I'm not trying.
Hold on.
Man, put your hands back.
Hold on. I could get a.
Put your hands. Don't
do that.
All right, then stop.
All right, I'm already handicapped.
All right, well, you're making it harder than it is.
Alright. I can get a phone call? Huh?
We're gonna talk about it in a second.
Okay, so you're not arrested at the moment, not going to jail, not going to but you are detained.
I'm standing still. I'm just looking.
All right.
What you mean?
I don't want him to get tired of it.
Alright.
Just put it.
I'm good.
County 2117. You go back to him.
Huh?
No, I'm talking to Rick. Move over here real quick. I don't want to hurt you.
2111.
Is it too tight?
No.
Is it good?
I'm good.
All right.
I believe so. I'll take right by there. We're gonna
Just walk up. Move up a little more. Put one in your car and I'll put the other in my car.
Can you not get my keys and my phone and my charger?
We're not leaving anywhere yet. If we leave, before we go anywhere, we'll get all your property.
I'm just telling you just in case. I don't know.
All right, so you'd rather me hold on to it for you then?
Yeah,
Okay.
my phone and my charger.
Okay. So I'll hang on to it for you, okay?
Are you guys 1012 with the female? Our call taker advising there's still an open line with a female moaning and yelling. Sounds like she's gagged or something. Yeah, we're 1012. She's up. That's fine.
Did you go back to normal?
Yeah.
Okay. And did you tell them to secure? All right. All right, go to the first car. Do you know why you're in handcuffs right now?
Huh?
Oh, all right. We'll explain it to you. Can you feel that AC? Can you
Yeah.
feel the air? Okay. Hold on to yourself up front, okay? If you want, you can get comfortable. You can lay back. If you want to lay like you're on the couch, I'm just letting you know you
Well, I
can.
will call someone to have a
I can't have you call anybody right now. Here's the thing. All right. Arian?
Who?
Your name?
My name is Lamisha.
Lamisha? Oh, the other girl was Arian.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Constitution required I inform you that you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used in court as evidence against you. You are entitled to talk to an attorney now and have him present now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you without cost. Do you desire to consult with an attorney first or have one during this interview? Yes or no?
I'm gonna get a turn when I go to jail.
Okay. Do you... If at any time hereafter you wish to remain silent or have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped. So the question is, are you willing to talk to me now or do you want an attorney?
About what we talking about? We ain't talking about
Okay.
that. I just want to go. Y'all take me to jail, so what my bun is, so I can get out. I got to pick up my kid.
All right.
I could have been in jail at when y'all first came. Y'all had me here prolonging my kids to ready to get out of school. That's why I need to call.
Well, there's no one prolonging. I need to look at everything before I make a decision if I need to take it to jail.
They knew I was going to jail anyway.
Who's they?
These people.
They don't make that decision. I made that decision.
Yeah, I got to pick up my kids.
So I'm not going to sit here and take someone to jail if I don't have evidence to take you to jail.
Oh, well.
So I had to collect my evidence.
Yeah, that's why
Okay.
I need to use my phone.
If at any time hereafter you wish to remain silent and have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped. Has anyone at any time threatened, coerced, or promised you anything in order to induce you to make a statement now? Yes or no? Do you understand those rights? Yes or no? Do you wish to talk to us now at this time? Yes or no?
I got to talk about.
Okay.
Both employees were charged with grand theft. For more real body cam cases, don't forget to subscribe.